We're adding another flavor, another variation to the drum pack here. I just duplicated this A resonance effects chain and I'm going to use it on this one, but I'm going to use this same concept here, but I'm going to focus on the third of the scale, which would be the F note. So it's a D scale, D minor, and I did the A, which is the 5th, and I did the C, which is the 7th. So now I'm going to do the third, which is going to be the F. What I do is I pull up a chart of the notes and their relative frequencies. So then I'm looking at the bass portion, like the kick portion of the frequency scale, and the F is going to be right around the 44 hertz. So what I'm doing is I'm going to move the number 1 here down more towards the 44 to where it's like peaking right about the 44, which is pretty much right there. We'll play it in the background while we adjust it. Number 2, gonna look for the F right around the 400 range. There, so it's gonna be about 350. You can hear the difference already. Let me undo and redo real quick. Alright, so we're going to look for the next F right around the 880 range. So either 700, yeah, 700. That one's a big difference. Take this 4th one right around the 1700 range, or 28, 14 and 28. We'll try them both. So let's try the 14. Nice. Sounds clean so far. We still have to mess with these here. But let's see. Let's go around the 27. Like it up here at the 27. Alright, let's try the 27 since we did the other pattern. I think it's 28 actually, 28. So now we're looking for right around the, what is it, 8,000 range. It's going to be about 5,500. And then we're going to mess around with the negative frequencies. Nice. So I already have this one set up at all of the B frequencies. I'm going to try with the E frequencies. I'm going to duplicate this real quick. Turn that one off. I'm going to make this one negative all the E frequencies and see how it sounds compared to this one. Let's turn the music down a little bit so I can hear myself talking. Let me turn this up. Check, check, check. Alright. That might be better. Okay.